AZCO designed and manufactured a custom cut-to-length system to unwind, pleat, heat seal, and cut gauze from a roll. The gauze is placed on a motorized unwind. An idle roller directs material into the pleating station. Stainless steel funnel guides take the gauze and fold it into 4 pleats. Exit guides lead the material into the heat set station. Heated idle rollers press the pleats into place. From the cut-to-length unit, the material falls out of the exit chute. A base plate and clear anodized frame align the stations and support the unit. Please give us a call to discuss your application.